Hi, this is Sharon McNall and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you my class in the mail using the Love What You Do stamp set along with two new ink colors for the 2018-2020 season called Grapefruit Grove and Call Me Clover. Let's take a look at the stamp set and ink pads. The stamp set is an early release from Stampin' Up. This stamp set is actually in the 2018-2019 catalog, but you can order it today. It's a photopolymer stamp set. It comes with 4 greetings. It's a beautiful day. I'm lucky to have a friend like you. Love what you do, and thank you. It also comes with these fun flower designs, this really cool watercolor splash effect, in a kind of like a block style, and also some watercolor effects to match up with the flowers. So this is really fun. As you can see, I've used it a lot. I've got a lot of the stamps on blocks already. I've just been working with it quite a bit. Also, Stampin' Up! Has now come out with a new design for their new stamp sets in the new catalog. So that's a stamp set that you can get with my class in the mail. Also, in the class in the mail, I do have an offer to purchase 2 of the new ink colors. And one is called Call Me Clover and the other is called Grapefruit Grove. So let's take a look at the ink pads here. We'll work with the Grapefruit Grove. As you notice, I've already added my stickers. I use all the stickers that come on the back side. And I just find it so much easier. The more color you have on an ink pad, the less chance for that you'll ink in the wrong color. So let's look at the design here. If you just open it up, and then you can just slide it into place, and there you go. And as I said, here I've got all of my stickers here. And then just to close it, you just lift it and just snap it in place. Sometimes you have to snap it in place, sometimes you don't, but I mostly find that you have to snap it in place. So let's just do this again. Let's look at the Call Me Clover. Again, I've got my stickers already on the top, and I just lift it up, slide it in place, and there you go. And again, I've got all the 3 stickers here. And you can also create your water palette just like you have on the old style. So I find these really easy to use. Just you got to remember to snap them shut. So those are the ink pads that you'll have a chance to order with my class in the mail. So we'll set these aside and let's talk about the cards I'm offering for you in the class in the mail. These all use the specialty designer series paper, Share What You Love, and also uses some of the embellishments from the bundles that are now being offered on my online store. So this one, let's take a look at this one. A very simple card. It's just a bunch of layering, and there's a little bit of bling with the Wink of Stella here, which will be an add-on feature to the class in the mail. And then I just carried forward the flower to the envelope and the inside of the card. So that's card number 1. Card number 2 is a little bit stepped up. Also, we'll be doing some fussy cutting. And I use, again, the designer series paper with a bit of black and the new in color Grapefruit Grove. So matches the ink pad here. And this here is the Call Me Clover. I could not use the Call Me Clover right now during the month of May because the cardstock is not available to customers. But I added these. This is just a little bit of Old Olive. And any of these die cuts here, my class in the mail, I've already done the work for you. So it's very, very simple to assemble all of these cards. And again, I used just brought the theme of the design here to the inside of the card and also on the envelope. So that's card number 2. Number 3 is one using Rich Razzleberry and also Whisper White. And again, we're doing some more die cutting here, which I've already done ahead of time for you. And also I use the Grapefruit Grove as the outline of the flower, and I stamped off with the grapefruit. Actually, the Call Me Clover is the image for the flower, and I used the Grapefruit Grove stamped off and then stamped on to create a little bit lighter effect, and added the pearls here that you will get in the class in the mail. And there's my envelope here, and carried to the inside of the card. And our final card is kind of one of my favorite. I'm using Tranquil Tide, lots of layering and a little bit of fussy cutting and the embellishment with the pearls. So, and I did a little bit of different viewing or stamping on the envelope. So let's take a look at this one. I've started with a card base of Tranquil Tide, added a layer of Old Olive, the specialty paper, and another little layer here of the Designer Series paper. I fussy cut the flower, which is really like a pearlized effect. It looks really nice in person. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera or not. Then I did fussy cut out some leaves from the pattern paper, added some embellishments. This will already be pre-cut for you. All you'll have to do is stamp it. And then on the inside panel, just carried the leaves here from the envelope. So that's that card. Now let's talk about the offers that I'm offering for you today. Option number 1 is an exclusive video to create these cards, plus a PDF, which will provide you step-by-step instructions, plus a supply list to create each of the cards. That pricing is $20. Option number 2 is $25 plus $7.20 for first class rate shipping. This offer is if you already have all the Share What You Love stamp set and inks needed to create these 4 card designs. You will receive my exclusive video, my PDF supply list, and 8 complete supply kits, 2 of each design to create all 4 cards. Alright, so now option number 3 is $42 plus the $7.20 for first class flat rate shipping. What you'll get is the exclusive video, the PDF, the supply list, 8 card kits. You will also receive the Call Me Clover and Grapefruit Grove ink pads. You will also receive the Love What You Do stamp set. You will receive a full package of the Share What You Love pearls. I will also throw in a half a sheet of dimensionals. All you'll need to complete the cards is the adhesive of your choice. So that's a great deal for you. If you're interested, or actually one other added feature would be the Wink of Stella. So let me just grab that from my stash over here. The Wink of Stella I used on almost every single card, just to give it a little bit of bling. So let's look at a close look at this one. I used it on the flower here. Just adds a little sparkle and extra embellishment for your card. So that is an add-on feature for $8. So again, you got an option number 1 is $20. Option 2 is $25 plus the $7.20 for first class flat rate shipping, and $42 plus $7.20 for first class flight. Oh, I can't even say that. First class flat rate shipping. So how do you order? If you are interested in purchasing option 1, 2, or 3, please email me at inspiredbygram.com. Please specify in your email what option you are interested in, and once I receive your email, I will connect with you to process your order. So let's just go over the projects one more time. We've got the, let's all stack them up here real nice. We've got the Love What You Do stamp set. We've got Grapefruit Grove. We've got Call Me Clover. We have a half a sheet of dimensionals. We have the add-on, a Wink of Stella. And let's look at the cards one more time. We've got one with Whisper White and Rich Raspberry. We have one with Grapefruit Grove and the Blackberry Bliss. Black, Basic Black. We have the Share What You Love pearls. And we have a Very Vanilla card base with a bunch of layering, and also my favorite I'll put right on top is a love what you do, because that's what we do. We love to stamp. So for all your Stampin' Up! Needs, please visit my website at inspiredbygram.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.